The history of Lorain County Community College and Lincoln Electric goes back many years. We've got a handful of graduates from Lorain County Community College that have worked at Lincoln Electric for more than 25 years. In the last 6 months, we've hired 3 Lorain County Community College graduates in the quality assurance departments and our automation division. We've got a number of employees throughout and even about 8 summer interns just this past summer. I think the reason is that we frequently discuss with the administration and then with some of the professors our needs, and I gather that they're willing to listen and adapt their programs to our needs as they change. So you'd find Lorain County Community College graduates in all sorts of different positions, subject matter experts or general manager type positions in IT, machining, industrial maintenance, automation, research and development, metallurgy, you name it. And I think when they graduate, they're well positioned and prepared to make an immediate impact on whatever company they choose to join.